Dear customer, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I will introduce how to use this big size rotating display. This one is powered by AC adapter. It's USB and AC adapter. And also it can power by this B-size battery. So you can power it by two ways to operate it. Next, you can check the switch. This switch for 3-way switch. It can rotating in clockwise and anti-clockwise. So in different rotating direction. And the diameter is bigger. It's about 30 centimeters equal 1 feet. So it's really big. The top is very top. It's anti-skate. And also you can put very heavy weight on it. It's loading up to 5 kilograms.